When it comes to making career choices, things become a bit complex. Especially when the earning source of your household is your job only. Picking a college major, or choosing the perfect career path, or trying to decide if you should leave your job, or move to a new one. All decisions like these can feel daunting and frustrating. If you are already working in the project management industry, or even planning a career in the project management field, then knowing the answers to pursue PMP, or an MBA degree, can brighten your career prospects. So, if you're struggling to solve this mystery, then you have come to the right video. In this video, we would learn about PMP and MBA, and how to choose the right one for you. Starting with PMP. So, the first question may be, what is PMP? A project management professional is a certified professional in the field of project management. The certification is issued by the Project Management Institute and proves that the recipient has the skill, experience, education, and competency to lead projects. Whereas an MBA, a Master of Business Administration, is a degree that focuses on basic and complex principles regarding business administration and investment management. MBA programs generally have wide scope and teach students a variety of business-related subjects, such as accounting, human resources, business communication, business ethics, law, finance, strategy, statistics, operations management, supply chain management, economics, and so on. Also, you can do MBA in project management too. For PMP certification, you would need to pass an exam, conducted by PMI, based on the project management body of knowledge. To qualify for the exam, applicants typically need to have at least a bachelor's degree, or diploma, with at least 4,500 hours of project management experience, and 35 hours of project management education. For an MBA degree, you would need to enroll at a renowned university of your choice. The exact duration of an MBA program depends on the type of program you choose. A typical MBA lasts 2 years, and usually has around 2 to 3 hours of courses, every day, on average. However, there are accelerated and part-time MBA programs, with more classes per day or fewer. So, which one is best for you? MBA, or PMP? If you are looking for wider recognition of degrees across various functions and industry, then an MBA degree would be a good choice. If you have a bachelor's degree, and earning in short term is not a constraint, then go for MBA. Since PMP certification does not have a prerequisite of a bachelor's degree, and it can be perused by a diploma holder too, it provides a quick opportunity to upgrade the skills and be job ready for the project management opening. So, if you have some working experience and looking for a specialized certification, which can give you a jump of 26% or more in your current salary, then go for PMP. When it comes to hiring or filling a position, company often looks for specialization. If you talk in terms of investment, earning an MBA degree can cost you almost $250,000. If you go for higher ranking university, this can run above $1 million. Whereas by investing $600 to $1,500, you can get PMP certification. Of course, you will need to study and prepare well for your PMP exam. So, invest wisely. In general, the average annual salary of MBA graduates lies between $74,000 and $90,000. However, the median annual salary for PMP certified project managers is $116,000. Those with 3 to 5 years of experience can easily make $90,000. By the way, do you know that the project management industry is set to grow up to $6.6 trillion by 2022? So, if you are enthusiastic about project management and want to become a successful project manager, then, in my opinion, you should go for PMP. And, if you would like to know more about project management, visit us at projectsmind.com. At projectsmind.com, we support project people in all the amazing work they do every day. Our objective is to provide access to world-class project management education for anyone, anywhere in the world for free. The concepts you will learn are applicable to all projects, from Fortune 500 firms to all the way to your own home. And, don't forget to hit subscribe button below to see our latest videos when they come out. See you later, and bye for now.